hardworking every time, actively participating in every event. I have observed every time when Santana informs, then I know that he is actually participating very well and encouraging everyone to do that. So I wish that you should say encouraging words to our students also. See how much neatness is important, hygiene is important for life. Healthy body, you can do everything. If your body is not healthy, your goals are not fulfilled, beta. So first of all, बोलते हैं ना, क्या बोलते हैं? Healthy, wealth है. Health is wealth. Okay? Sir, please.
We all belong to 10th class.
Yes.
Anyone from 9th and 10th? Nice, very good. So, very good morning. We are here today in your street to create an awareness on the program called Swachh Bharat. How many of you heard about Swachh Bharat? How many of you heard? Just raise your hands. How many of you heard about Swachh Bharat?
You know the Swachh Bharat?
Yes.
We all know the total country of India, our country, India has taken a new initiative called Swachh Bharat, where it's our own responsibility, our citizen responsibility to keep our city or else our state, our country clean and neat, right? See, we have been seeing how many of you people know about them. I once again request to clap. Everyone should clap for this. They are the sanitation workers who work really hard for us. They are the frontline warriors. Whether it was at the time of pandemic, COVID situations, or whether it is today, the daily regular situation also, they are the ones who are really work hard for us to keep our health, our streets, our home, our country neat and good. So once again, we have to thank we are here for this initiative. As we all know, Narendra Modi, who is Narendra Modi ji? Prime Minister of India has taken a new initiative. It's not a new initiative taken now. Once he has become a Prime Minister, he has taken an initiative ever before, a Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, where it's our citizen responsibility to keep the country and the street, our home neat and clean. So tomorrow's generation is your generation, right? Tomorrow's generation is your generation. As we all know, we heard a lot about America, we heard a lot about Singapore, we heard a lot about other countries where people say the streets will be neat and clean, the roads are clean, the streets are neat, right? Have you heard about it?
Yes.
So tomorrow it's our future of our country, because we have to keep our country, our streets and our home neat. So that's all our responsibility. So I give only 2 to 3 things, 2 tips to you to follow in your daily lifestyle. First thing, how many people have your own bedrooms here in your home? Own bedrooms or your rooms in your home? You have it. So how many people have kept your own dustbins at your place? Did anyone do that? No. So today I request you to place your own dustbin at your place, either beside your place, a bed or a dressing table, or else near the back of the door or somewhere. The first thing initially you have to do is you have to place a dustbin at your home. And the second thing you have to do is you have to teach your mom to separate dry waste and wet waste. How many of you heard this? How many of you heard about the dry waste and the wet waste? So you have to follow to segregate. You have to teach your parents, you have to teach your mother, you have to teach your father to separate dry waste and the wet waste, so that the recyclable waste goes again and recycles, which doesn't harm our nature. We already know plastic is very harmful. Right? To clean your own classroom. No, dustbin okay. To clean your own classroom.
Yes, sometimes when I will be available, they will do.
So you have to take your own responsibility. It starts from your bedroom, it starts from your home, your kitchen, your classroom. These 3 things you take up the responsibility. The rest of the things, they are all there, we are all there, we'll take up the responsibility. Okay? So once again, clean India, developed India. So I request everyone to follow. Thank you so much.
Thank you for giving such an encouraging speech, because already I also encourage them, but that is daily routine. But if you now said, I think now you will be more cautious about neatness. Yes.
Thank you so much.
On my request.